Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's been an exhausting day. I just got back home. I don't know, I don't really feel like going to the gym. I'm gonna have some kind of breakfast, which is, some milk and chocos. So that's what I'll be having for now. Watch a movie or something, or a series or a season that I've been wanting to do it. And today, the another episode just dropped, so I'm gonna be watching that. It's basically called Rise and Fall again. Something not my type, but it's just that I'm only watching it for one person, which you will be able to see. I decided that I will be going to sleep first and then waking up. If I wake up on time, and only then I'll be going to the gym. Otherwise, I will just postpone the gym for tomorrow because I'm really freaking exhausted. But let's hold that thought. If I wake up and if I still have the strength, then I will be going to the gym, and yeah, then I'll be showing you guys the day there. Otherwise, I'll just wake up and we'll have a word after that. So yeah.
और मनी रिस्क रूलर्स यूज करेंगे अपनी पावर और डिसाइड करेंगे इस चैलेंज का डिफिकल्टी लेवल जिसके साथ जुड़ा होगा एक मनी रिस्क।
Joe, what's going on, guys? I just woke up and it's 12:30. I have to get ready in 30 minutes and go in for work. Alright, guys, see you when I'm back from work. What's going on, guys? I just got back from work. It was a pretty lazy day and I was tired as fuck. So, if you're wondering, I was I wasn't at work like this. I just took my clothes off and I folded the stuff. As you guys can see, this red chair. There were like a pile of clothes there, so I had to fold them. I actually did film that entire sequence, but there was too much noise in the back end, and there was because of the construction work. Now I'm about to have some rest because I haven't been able to eat for the past 2 to 3 days enough. I've only been eating like one meal a day, which is again not enough for me to sustain my muscle mass. So what I've been doing today would be, because today I have a week off, so I'll be focusing more on getting my diet together, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be first of all, I'm gonna be having some rest right now, guys. So and then after that, we'll be going to the gym. We will be hitting some shoulders, triceps, and biceps. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll go along the day.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Lullabies of you still in my head. Someone save me. Bloodshot eyes, can't sleep, I'm rotting in my bed. Even the drugs don't faze me. I don't think you understand. I gave you everything I had when it shit go wrong, and now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. I mean, I thought of doing shoulders, tricep, and biceps, but I thought, why don't I go ahead do some full body movements just to get my flexibility with the muscles and get the entire stretch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, the workout specifically. The video hasn't been completed yet, which we will be completing when we get back home. So yeah, done with this workout. Got an amazing pump. Alright guys, just got back home and shit, I don't know why am I so freaking motivated, and I'm just really tired as of now. Damn. And what the fuck happened to the lighting? I think this is better. Well, yeah. Alright guys, no more of that posing, and now I'm about to go ahead and we'll be taking a shower first of all, and then I will be having some banana shake with at least 4 to 5 bananas in one shake, and I will be using at least 200 ml of milk. And then in the evening I will be going ahead and cooking a really high protein, really high healthy fats sandwich, which is again with full of cheese and some tofu. Hopefully you guys will like it, and I want you guys to actually give it a try and then give me your real opinion in the chat comment section below. Why the fuck did I say chat box? I'll see you guys after I take a shower, and then we're gonna have to enjoy as well because today is our week off. So yeah, see you guys later. Well, it's the next day. I actually fell asleep and I couldn't wake up. So I had a really good night's sleep, and I'm fresh. I woke up like about 2 hours ago, went ahead and watched some vlogs, had some buns to eat, bread and butter, like about three slices, and I am ready with the next meal. Kind of a drink, which is banana shake. Again, I have like about 250 ml to 300 ml, and I'm feeling cold. I think I have cold. Look at my nose, it's completely red, and my eyes. I have no idea what the fuck I just did. I didn't even eat a drink cold. Except for this, I'm having it right now. So, well, today is Sunday. I have nothing planned, but let's see where the day takes us. Alright guys, I was pretty hungry, so I went ahead and started making the sandwich. So the first thing that I'll be showing you guys is, just a second, turning this thing on so that it gets a little hot and nice. And until then, I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually prepare the sandwich. Okay, so we have 4 breads with butter spread all over it, and then we have our tofu, which again is a really good source of protein, and we have this on 3. So we're going to be making 3 sandwiches, right? So once that is done, wait, let me just set this up. We will be adding some seasoning of your choice, as you guys can just add as per your choice. I'm using Maggi Masala, which is a really good seasoning, I believe. Now once that is done, we will be adding a slice of cheese on each. And now we will be just, getting more breads with butter, and then we're going to be flipping this over, and then we will flip this over, and then we will add another slice of cheese. There we go. Let me get some more slices for the other breads. Alright guys, we got the sandwiches ready, and now we are about to grill these. Alright, so once that is done, we're just gonna make sure that it's evenly spread, and then we put in the breads. And we let it sit there. Alright guys, I think it's done. Wow. This is what I call a classic cheese bread. That's just amazing. Just how we liked it at our school. Check this out guys, this is the cheese bread that we just cooked. Tastes pretty awesome. I'm just about to give it a taste. Let's go boys, let's give this amazing thing a taste. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see, but I'm just going to dig right in. Oh my god. Oh fuck. The cheese is still hot. Damn guys, I'm sweating. I'm gonna sit back and relax.